the 2020 Nissan LEAF. This four-door, five-passenger hatchback offers the latest in technological innovation and style. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a built-in garage door transmitter, fully automatic headlights, lane departure warning, rear wipers, and power windows. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 6 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Nissan also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, front and rear side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Adaptive Cruise Control maintains a preset distance behind the car ahead of you, simplifying highway driving and enhancing safety. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.